Okay guys, sa isang araw pinag-usapan natin what are the lessons we might learn about the future of the Pink Movement, a 2.0 version and upgraded version of Pink Movement. And ang isa sa mga scholars or thinkers na sinight natin was actually Antonio Gramsci. Ito yung Italian thinker who 100 years ago said that para hindi manalo or para talunin yung mga populista, mga fascist groups, mga right-wing groups, conservative groups, what you need is a united front. Dapat yung mga like-minded groups work together. So bawal ang cancel culture, bawal ang purity test, bawal ang empty sloganeering and posturing. You have to be flexible, you have to be dynamic, you have to be inclusive, and you have to create a new, what he called a hegemonic bloc, a group of like-minded people who could influence not only politics but also culture, society, and social norms. So yun po yung isang sa mga dapat natin titignan. How can the opposition can come together? Leftist, progressive, centrist, conservative, lahat ng mga ayaw ng katrapuhan, lahat ng ayaw ng populism, fascism, whatever yun, and whoever wants a semblance of a decent Philippines, all of them have to work together. So very, very important guys, pagdating sa parating na elections in 2028, medyo late na for 2025, na there will be a new narrative and version of Pink Movement which is not based on cancel culture, which is based on engagement, early mobilization, hindi yung 11th hour, and more importantly, an inclusive and pragmatic message. Hindi yung mga pa-cute, hindi pa-woke, at hindi yung let me lecture you type. No, bawal yan. No elitism, engagement, compassion, mobilization, united front. Yun pong kailangan natin.